Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's autumn, the perfect season for warm, cozy breakfasts that can actually support your kidney health. If your creatinine levels are high, what you eat in the morning can make a real difference. Today, I'll share 3 safe, delicious, and science-backed breakfasts that help protect your kidneys and naturally support healthy creatinine levels. Let's start with breakfast number 1, apple cinnamon oatmeal. This classic fall dish is comforting and kidney-friendly. Oats give you slow, steady energy without stressing your kidneys with excess protein. Apples are full of pectin, a type of fiber that helps your body remove waste, including creatinine. And a sprinkle of cinnamon helps balance blood sugar, which is essential for kidney health. If you're new here, welcome. We share simple, evidence-based nutrition tips for better kidney health. Make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Your health journey deserves the right guidance. Breakfast number 2, the pumpkin smoothie bowl. Pumpkin is naturally low in potassium and packed with beta-carotene, making it an excellent food for kidney support. Blend pumpkin puree with almond milk, a touch of vanilla, and a few oats for thickness. Top it with chia seeds or a few banana slices. This adds fiber and antioxidants that reduce inflammation. Breakfast number 3, pear and Greek yogurt parfait. Pears are hydrating, gentle on your kidneys, and low in phosphorus. Use unsweetened Greek yogurt for moderate protein and gut health benefits. Add oats or crushed walnuts. They're rich in fiber and omega fats that help fight inflammation. Each of these breakfasts is full of fiber, antioxidants, and nutrients that protect your kidneys. They're low in sodium, low in phosphorus, and perfect for the fall season. Try one of them tomorrow morning and feel the difference. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more expert kidney-friendly nutrition tips. Stay healthy and see you in the next one.